before she hangs up, ask if she remembers who you
I'll
are.
put this on there in case I'm not here because I do have to.
Okay, do it again. Do it again. Again.
1 o'clock, I have to leave. So,
Well, I will definitely be there before then. I'll leave here in the next 10-15 minutes. And what was my name again?
what is the name of it?
Yeah, no, what is my name again? Do you remember?
Ginger Spice.
Ginger Spice. Yes, and everything nice.
Hey, Connie,
That's awesome, yeah.
what would stop you from buying a house from Ginger?
What would stop me?
Yeah.
Nothing. I would probably buy one because.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Is
All
you
right,
ready?
great. Are you ready?
Can she follow up with you and stay in contact when you get ready?
Well, I just refinanced my house, so now I can sell it for like $8.
We're not asking you to sell it right now. We're just asking if we can stay in touch with you for the future.
Well, heck yeah.
Who do you know? Who do you know, girl? Hey, ask
All
her.
right.
Who do you know? Ask her.
Do you know of anyone looking to buy or sell?
And ask her this. What can we do to help her business?
Not right now, but I'm definitely there. If you want to write me some business cards.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
And actually, what can we do to help you in your business?
My business.
Just keep sending Steven over there because he's so polite and nice.
Yeah. Just don't call me that or anything. No, I'm just joking. No, I'm totally joking.
Ask her if she knows who GoodTimeTommy is. And ask her if she'll remember him.
Like, if anything needs to change or if somebody has questions, I have to call and ask me. Or let me know when something changes, like so I should know ahead of time.
The weatherman getting it on her ping pong table.
So when I'm ordering materials and stuff, I don't order the wrong thing in case they forget to update the
Gotcha.
paperwork.
Yes. Okay.
That'd be the biggest thing.
Awesome. Well, hey, I look
Hey,
forward
does
to
she know
meeting.
GoodTimeTommy?
Oh, do you know Good Time Tommy? Good Time Tommy. Tommy Davidson. Well, here he
Well, now
is.
you do.
Hey, do you know the
Hey,
weather-
it's
you know
a
the
pleasure.
weatherman?
It's nice meeting you.
Do you know the weatherman?
It's part of my training, Stevie Z. I practice. See, this is a call.
The
practice.
weather man.
She's calling
The one
somebody right now.
the one who come and seen you the other day.
Everything
and
that
talking
we
to you.
do is about practice for the next.
He's the weatherman.
Weatherman, ask her does she know GoodTimeTommy. Ask her.
Now, do you know Good Time Tommy?
Wait for an answer.
It sounds like you guys could have a
Do
lot of
you
fun.
know GoodTimeTommy?
That's why you want us to
Yes, we
represent
do.
you when
Yes.
you get ready to buy
Does
a
she know
house.
GoodTimeTommy? Well, we ain't got the question answered.
Do you know Good Time Tommy?
Yes, I do.
All right,
She
that's what
does.
I'm.
Woo, that's what we were wanting. All right. Okay, well, hey, I will see you in just a bit, okay?
Okay, I feel like I'm on a radio station right now.
You are. You on my radio station.
All right, bye, Connie. We'll see you
Thank you,
soon.
Connie.
Bye-bye.
Now look, this is part of training. Do you know what I was making you do? Weatherman knows, but he don't even know the words to put to. I'm making you stand out with people. I'm making you be memorable with Connie. Now when you walk in there, see part of sales, a huge part of sales is standing out. Does she know GoodTimeTommy?
Yes.
Did she know GoodTimeTommy?
No.
Did I make you ask her? Were you uncomfortable?
Yes.
Yeah, hey, ask her again. That's how you stand out. That's how people remember you. Now here's what we need to do. Here's a little tip. I need you to get a thank you card, and we need to send her a little gift saying, hey, we had so much fun talking with you on the phone.
Okay.
And we need to send her a little something. We got something we can send her.
All right.
So that's how we, friend, do phone calls around here. We dig in, we probe, we ask questions. When we get nervous, we don't retreat. We dig in a little bit deeper.